everyone, my name is Sakina and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be making dark chocolate chunk cookies. So let's see the ingredients we need. You will need 4 ounces of softened butter, which is half cup of butter, half cup brown sugar, half cup white sugar, 1 egg in room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of salt, cup and a half of chocolate chunks, and yeah, let's get started. First, I'm going to chop the chocolate in chunks. The chocolate is in chunks, you can see. And now I'm going to add half cup of butter, half cup of half cup of brown sugar, half cup of white sugar. I'm going to caramelize it. This is the most important step because it's butter, the cookies will become nice, and this step is just the main step. And now I'll add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, I'll add 1¼ cup of flour. It smells so good, it smells like heaven here. You can smell this. I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. It is 355 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know in Fahrenheit. I make small bite-sized cookies. You can make big cookies. It's upon you which shape you want. And yeah, I made the shapes, and now I'm going to keep it in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. I baked the cookies and they're so awesome. I also tasted some in between because I was very hungry. So I'll test it again. It's very chewy. It's very nice. Like all the ingredients give a very good, nice cookies. And I also made the giant cookie that I cut it in half because it was not fitting. I'll taste it. It's very yummy. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you and stay tuned till my next video. Bye.